boys and girls. So today's lesson is about sight words. And we practiced sight words a few weeks ago. And we're going to practice those words again today, but then I'm also going to add some new sight words to your list so that you can become a stronger and stronger reader as we keep practicing. And so I love stories, and I know that you guys love stories too, and I want you to be able to read stories on your own someday. And so sight words are words that are almost like glue. They hold sentences together because they're very common, and sight words are everywhere. They're short words or somewhat easy words or words that maybe they don't keep the reading rules that I'm teaching you. So they're words that are very common, and you're going to see them everywhere. And they're also words that you need to know as fast as you can snap. Can you snap your fingers? That is how fast you should know a sight word. Sight words should be like this, that fast. So they're words that you see it and you know it that quickly. And so we can also call them snap words, or sight words and snap words are the same thing. So today we're going to practice sight words. I'm going to show you the list we practiced a few weeks ago, and then I'm going to show you a new list of words for you to practice this week. But we're going to practice it in a couple of different ways. The first way we're going to practice it is by saying the word, then spelling the word, and then saying it again. So say it, spell it, say it. And then another way, we've made flashcards. Do you remember how we made cards with words on them? You can do that with these sight words too, or write them in your English notebook. Then the last way you can practice these sight words is when you're reading stories. You can practice when you're reading, or you're out shopping and you see signs. You can find words that you know like that. And so let's get started with our first list of revision words that we learned a few weeks ago. And I'm going to say it, spell it, and say it. Okay, so I'm going to read this list of words and follow with your finger on the screen with each word. Okay, here we go. The, T-H-E, the, and, A-N-D, and, to, T-O, to, is, I-S, is, that, T-H-A-T, that, he, H-E, he, for, F-O-R, for, R-A-R-E-R, with, W-I-T-H, with, and they, T-H-E-Y, they. Of, O-F, of, is the letter A. In, I-N, in, U, Y-O-U-U, it, I-T, it. Was, W-A-S, was, on, O-N, on, as, A-S, as, his, H-I-S, his, and I is the letter I. Our second set of words I'm going to read first, and then we'll say it and spell it and say it. So follow along with me. At, this, from, one, by, but, what, were, when, can. Be, have, or, had, words, not, all, we, your, said. Now that is as quick as you should read them once you practice. So now we're going to say it, spell it, and say it. At, A-T, at. This, T-H-I-S, this. From, F-R-O-M, from. One, O-N-E, one. By, B-Y, by. But, B-U-T, but. What, W-H-A-T, what. Were, W-E-R-E, were. When, W-H-E-N, when. Can, C-A-N, can. Be, B-E, be. Have, H-A-V-E, have. Or, O-R, or. Had, H-A-D, had. Words, W-O-R-D-S, words. Not, N-O-T, not. All, A-L-L, all. We, W-E, we. Your, Y-O-U-R, your. And the last one, said. S-A-I-D, said. Okay, so that's it for today for our sight words. I hope that you practice them. I hope that you look around and try to find them in your stories and on signs while you're shopping and driving around. And then, if you do any of these practices, you can send them to me in WhatsApp. And I hope that this helps you become a stronger and better reader. Bye, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.